Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling Rex Global Customer Service. This is Megan. How can I help you?
Hi, Nika. I'm calling because I was charged $1 like out of nowhere. What is this, a scam? Could you help me? Or can someone from there explain to me what's happening?
I am sorry to hear about $1 charge in your account, but don't you worry. I can definitely help you with that.
Okay, well, let's see.
Alright, can I start with your name, please?
Yeah, sure. It's Max Hermit.
Thank you. How about your email address?
Yeah, it's Max underscore Hermit
Mm-hmm.
001 dot edu.
Thank you. Let me proceed to your account. Max, when you place your first order, Rex Global contacts your issuing bank to confirm the validity of the payment method. It is not an actual charge, but a $1 authorization hold.
Seriously? I mean, how long will this take?
Well, it isn't that long. Most often, it takes 1 to 2 business days. The authorization will be removed from your account once a transaction is already processed.
Oh, okay. That's a relief. I mean, now I understand. I appreciate that. Thanks.
You're most welcome. I can also send a confirmation regarding this call for your reference.
I appreciate it.
Aside from this, is there anything else that I can assist?
No, I think we're good. Thanks a lot, Nika.
I'm really glad to help. You may also see the help pages for other queries. Max, thank you for calling Rex Global and have a nice day.
I appreciate it. You too. Have a good one. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.